Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 or Warzone not launching on PC Steam, so you can get into the game without errors or crashes. First, restart your PC, because temporary system glitches can often prevent the game from starting. Next, open Steam and verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted data. After that, run Steam and the game as administrator to avoid permission issues. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can block launch. Another important step is to disable overlays like Steam Overlay, Discord, or GeForce Experience, because they can interfere with startup. Also, make sure your Windows system is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, check your antivirus or firewall and allow the game through them. Finally, restart your PC and try launching the game again, and it should work normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.